Good morning. Today my group will be present about Toyota companies. So first of all, this is our team members, which is we have Nurin Sofia binti Mazalan and I Wan Rida binti Hasan, Nur Syafiqah Eliana binti Sarudin and Razin Muhammad Rashid. So as you can see on the slide, this is our contents. First of all, we have maintenance organization, maintenance strategies, maintenance planning and schedule. For the last one, computerized maintenance and management.
Introduction for maintenance organization is Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota City, Aichi, Japan. It was founded by Ichiro Toyoda and incorporated on August 28, 1937. Toyota is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, producing about 10 million vehicles per year. The company was originally founded as a spin-off of Toyota Industry, a machine maker started by Sakichi Toyoda, Kichiro's father. Both companies are now part of the Toyota Group, one of the largest conglomerates in the world. And last, following the Second World War, Toyota benefited from Japan's alliance with the United States to study American automakers and other business. This followed Toyota to develop the Toyota Way, is a management philosophy, and the Toyota production system, lean manufacturing techniques, which help the small business grow into an industry leader and become the focus of numerous academic studies. So this is organization part. Board of Direction, President, Executive Committee, Chemical and Electronics Division, Food and Consumer Service Division, Administrative Division. Next, Metal Division, Global Parts and Logistics Division, Automotive Division, and Dealer Machinery Division. This is division and department. First, Engineering Design Department. Second, Manufacturing Engineering Department. Third, Manufacturing Department. Fourth, Sales Department. And the last, General Affairs Department. This is a person in charge. Mr. Toyoda's career has included posting in every phase of automotive operation, including production, marketing and product development, both in Japan and internationally. Outside Japan, he served as an executive vice president and board member at New United Motor Manufacturer Inc., which is NUMMI, Toyota's production joint venture in General Motors in California starting in April 1998. In January 2000, he returned to Japan and was named to the MC Board of Direction in June. In that capacity, he took under creation and supervision of Gazo.com, a website that contains dozens of virtual shops for consumer goods and service and provide information about new and used vehicles. Also, during this time, he supervised domestic marketing operation in the American.
Okay, hello, my name is Razin Muhammad Rashid. Number 24 DKM 20F 1128. Now I will explain for chapter 2. For our research company Toyota is a maintenance chapter 2 maintenance strategy. Okay, for the first one, company strategy. The Toyota production system was advanced in 69 because to Shiichi Nakajima facilitation of the concept of total productive maintenance. TPM was created to systematically locate and remove equipment loss, since the Toyota production was focused on the complete elimination of waste to save production costs. Machine availability is crucial for applying lean manufacturing technique. A crucial component in assuring machine availability is preventive maintenance. Through complete staff participation, this method maximizes the efficient use of the machine. For successful TPM, Toyota has established an organizational culture that value employee involvement. Okay, for the second, about the job and task. Lean management foundation. Before you can begin building a home, you need to start with a solid foundation to ensure your process increase in efficiency and productivity. You will need to make sure you have the proper place so every individual in your organization understand the expectation of going lean. A key component to Toyota lean manufacturing methodology is 5S. This system aims to improve the bottom line by creating workspace that are free from clutter to increase productivity, safety, efficiency, and employee satisfaction. Here are the 5 steps, which each of which represent a key step in building your strong TLM foundation. For the first one is sort. For the second one, set in order. Third one, shine. For the fourth, standardize. For the last one is sustain. Lean warehouse operation with TLM and 5S. At large, the goal of TLM is to provide the highest quality product at the lower cost and with the shortest lead time possible. It can be helpful to think of TLM as a house, with the roof representing an organization's goal and the remaining piece of the structure signify the element needed to accomplish each goal. In order to build an unwavering property, you will need 4 walls, a roof, pillar, and a solid foundation. That's all for me.
Next is maintenance planning and schedule. Maintenance planning and schedule. Planning is the process by which the elements required to perform a task are determined in advance of the job start. Scheduling is the process by which jobs are matched with resources and sequences to be executed at a certain point in time. In other words, planning comes first, then comes scheduling. If even one job out of 20 that is integrated into specific schedule has not been completely planned for the assembly of the schedule, the accuracy of the schedule is jeopardized. It is possible that the unplanned or partial planned job take will longer than expected or will rob resources from the other jobs, resulting in the overall schedule being upset. Next, this is the type planning and schedule that Toyota have been implemented. First of all, they have annual planning. The annual planning is a collaborative process between the sales and manufacturing division. Next, component planning. After several weeks of discussion and analysis, the annual plan is finalized by model by plan. Then the focus shifts to determining the ratio of key components of vehicles, for example, engines, transmissions, and similar options may have capacities constraints at the supply level. Next is operation planning. Another important point is that the sales and operation planning process cannot be resolved. Getting a mathematically accurate result, certain computers play an important role in calculating the various scenarios. However, the human interaction that takes the place over the hours day and week not improve the quality of the annual plan but also build a consensus among the sales and manufacturing group that reverence teamwork. Additionally is capacity planning. Capacity planning consists of two aspects, which are the internal plan capacity review and the supplier capacity review. The next one is internal capacity planning. Each assembly plant conducts a periodic review of its production capacity. The purpose is to calculate the upper and lower limits of its operation rate for each product. And next, production calendar. One prerequisite to creating the product plan is to determine the number of production workdays in a production month. One of the reasons that a production month is not the same as a calendar month is because some of the process within manufacturing are based on weekly. Last one for the time planning and schedule is production planning process. Once the production calendar is published, it can be used to create a monthly production order for each plant. The monthly order process is a global process managed by Toyota Motor Corporation (TMC) in Japan. Each manufacturing assembly plant creates a preliminary operation plan that shows the quantity of each model that will produce, including critical options such as engine. So the last one for me is how Toyota manage the inventory. Toyota manage the inventory of stock. Toyota have been using the just-in-time inventory management. Just-in-time JIT inventory management, also known as lean manufacture and sometimes referred to as the Toyota Production System (TPS), is an inventory strategy that manufacturers use to increase efficiency. The process involves ordering and receiving inventory for production and customer sales only as it is needed to produce goods and not before. This type of inventory management provides many benefits but is not without its downsides and relies heavily on factors such as strong, fast, and efficient network of suppliers.
Computerized Maintenance Management, which is CMMS. A computerized maintenance management system is a computer software program designed to assist in the planning, management, and administrative function required for effective maintenance. CMMS is not just a means of controlling maintenance. It is now used to ensure the high quality of both equipment condition and output. Definition: Computerized Maintenance Management System (CMMS) can go by many names: Enterprise Asset Management (EAM), Computerized Maintenance Management Information System (CMMIS), and Integrated Information Management System (IIMS). However, all these complicated names and lengthy acronyms represent a system in which the basic functionality is to maintain a computer database of information about an organization's maintenance operation. Next is manage the data of the equipment and maintenance. Kanban. Kanban is the quick response system through which just-in-time production is achieved, harmonizing inventory levels with actual consumption. Factories are complicated and busy places, and making sure all work is done can be difficult. That's where the Kanban or signboard fits into the Toyota production system. Kanban in English is signboard. It's a system that conveys information between process and automatically orders parts as they are used up. Every item or box of items that flows through the production process carries its own Kanban. Kanban comes of items that have been used of transport and go back to the preceding process as order for additional items. System that can be accessed. As CMMS evolved, it established a foundation for EAM. Essentially, EAM contains the functionality of CMMS and their functions can overlap. What EAM brings to CMMS tends in part to greater connectivity and information sharing. It's the ability to span sites, foster collaboration across departments, and provide deeper integration with other systems like enterprise resource planning. The latest generation of CMMS is cloud-based and highly mobile. It offers greater functionality with faster implementation, easier maintenance, and greater data security.
All from us, thank you.